flies through this open sky, sends down rain between sunshine. It warms the earth which we stand along. Love this land. These golden fields wave in the breeze, produce their yield for a hungry world to feed. Rise to fill its high demand. Long love this land. Long love this land. Long love this land. If you've been here, then you understand. Long love this land. This way of life we've come to know. What pioneer heart started, we've helped to grow. We build a hopeful future and all those dreams they planned. Long love this land. Long love this land. Long love this land. If you've been here, then you understand. Long love this land. With every combine mile, and each reassuring smile, we keep moving on, we keep growing strong. With every passing year, those dreams become more clear. Innovation, inspiration, bringing food to every nation. We've done our very best with hard work in hands. Long love this land. Long love this land. If you've been here, then you understand. Long love this land. Long love this land. Long love this land. If you've been here, then you understand. Long love this land. Hopeful hearts, we sweat on our brow. We do our part and share the know-how. These roots grow deep, and on them we stand. Long love this land.
I'm on the clock and I'm feeling like this job's just a 9 to 5 and my life away. It's like I'm back at school and I'm in the last class and I'm passing time until the bell rang. Having visions of summertime, but wait a minute now, it's just later tonight. 10 legs and tailgates all up in the moonlight. And by the way, let's payday. Live it up for the weekend. Pull it up every time of your life. Take a shot for the regrets. Double up and it's bound to get broke wild. Hey ladies, let your head out. We know ain't nobody scared now. Hell now, just do your thing like a spring break. Wake and bake and we at it again. We live it up for the weekend. Backwoods looking like Panama City. Bunch of jacked up trucks and bikinis. Got a Yeti full of good ideas. Like I ain't worried about driving, I'ma stay right here and I'ma live it up for the weekend. Blow it up at the time of your life. Take a shot for the regrets. Double up and it's bound to get it again.